Hey, what is going on YouTube? Welcome to the Duranafy channel. This video is about the preparation required for the shot that we're going to do on Saturday morning. And what's happening Saturday morning? This building right over my shoulder is going to be imploding. Dominion Energy Building is an old building that they're going to implode, and we want to capture that. So today's video is all about the preparation required to get the shot. So I'm here at this location trying to figure out if it's going to work right for us, right? I'm here with a friend, Robbie, who also is starting up a brand new channel. And what's the name of the channel?
Travel Tech 360.
Travel Tech 360. So I'm going to plug that channel, guys. Travel Tech 360 is going to be starting its channel on this video here of the implosion of this building, okay? So I'm here. We're going to fly in drones from this location to the building, that tan building right up there next to that blue glass building with the flag on top. Well, that new building that is glass with the flag on top is the new Dominion Energy Building. Very beautiful building. I've had the opportunity to fly up close to it when it was being built, and it came out unbelievable footage. I'll have to show that to you guys. As a matter of fact, I'm probably going to put it right above me now so you guys can see what that building looks like. So this location is pretty nice. The only problem we have is that we have a ceiling over top of it, so we're a little worried that we might not be able to get the satellites on our drones to fly from here, but we're going to test that. All right, and that's what this video is all about. Trying to figure out how to get all this equipment to work and get the job done. So here's how it's going to go down. There's a series of videos. This is the first video of the series, the preparation to fly. The second video is going to be the preparation on flight day, on the D-Day of Saturday morning. And the third video is going to be the live streaming or the video of that imploding building. So let's get into this preparation video and let's get started. I want to thank you guys for watching the Duranafy channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like the contents of the Duranafy channel, boom, hit that subscribe button, guys. Appreciate you guys giving me some love back, supporting the channel. Thanks for watching. Let's get into the video.
Let's ride.